Hi, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the heart of Italian cuisine, pasta. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of cooking the perfect pasta. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned cook, these tips will ensure your pasta is always al dente and bursting with flavor. So, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with the ingredients. For this classic pasta recipe, you'll need your pasta of choice: water, salt, extra virgin olive oil. 1. Boiling water. First, let's talk about water. Fill a large pot with enough water to fully submerge your pasta. Bring it to a rolling boil. Adding salt to the boiling water not only enhances the flavor but also seasons the pasta as it cooks. Aim for about a tablespoon of salt per pound of pasta. 2. Choosing the right pasta. Now, the world of pasta is diverse. Different shapes serve different purposes. Today, I'm using spaghetti, a classic choice that pairs well with various sauces. Choose the pasta that suits your taste and the sauce you're planning to prepare. 3. Cooking time. Once the water is at a rolling boil, gently add the pasta. Check the package for the recommended cooking time. We're aiming for that elusive al dente texture, where the pasta is cooked but still has a delightful firmness. 4. Stirring. Stir the pasta occasionally to prevent sticking. This ensures even cooking. And here's a pro tip: a splash of olive oil in the boiling water can also help prevent sticking and add a subtle richness to the pasta. 5. Testing for doneness. The best way to check for doneness is to taste it. It should be tender but offer a slight resistance when bitten. Cooking times can vary, so trust your taste buds more than the clock. 6. Draining the pasta. Once your pasta reaches perfection, it's time to drain. Grab a colander, give it a good shake to remove excess water, and consider saving a cup of pasta water. It's a secret weapon for adjusting the consistency of your sauce later on. 7. Optional. Olive oil. For an extra layer of flavor and to keep the strands separate, drizzle a bit of extra virgin olive oil over the drained pasta. It adds a delightful touch that elevates the dish. And there you have it, the art of cooking perfect pasta. Whether you're pairing it with a simple tomato sauce or a complex homemade creation, mastering the basics of pasta cooking opens up a world of culinary possibilities. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show some love with a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking!